Once you've got a grasp of Boolean values or the Boolean type in programming languages, it's a really good idea to understand what logical AND operators are as well. Now, there are other types of logical operators, but in this video we're just going to talk about logical AND operators. So we've got a simple control flow here, and we've got two variables. One says understands Boolean, and currently that's true. And then we have one that says understands control flow, and that is false. And then we have the if else statement. And let's just go through this. So if I understand Booleans and I understand control flow, then the text is, yes, I understand Booleans and control flow. All right. Now, if I don't understand both of them, then we come on to the next test. And it would say, if I understand Booleans, well, I do understand Booleans because it's true here. And it says, yes, I understand Boolean. So that means this control flow is finished now because it has found something. Now, let's just say that you don't understand Booleans, right? But you do understand control flow because you obviously use an if-else statement. And it says here, if understands control flow. Yes, I do understand it. So that means then the control flow, the if-else statement has completed here. Now, you might think you don't know what a logical AND operator is, but you've seen it already. This double AND here, this is basically saying, hey, these both must be true for it to go on, right? So if this is false, boom, we don't even go on any further, right? Because it has to have both or all of the left and the right to be true, okay? So this is what this AND is saying. This and this must be true, okay? Not this or this, that's something else. So we need to have understands Booleans and understands control flow for this to pass, okay? Now, if that isn't the case and one of them is false or both of them, it's just both of them are not true. That's what you need to understand, okay? This is if you think about all the different cases that we have true and true, okay? We then have true and false. We then have false, we then have false and true, and then we have false and false, okay? These are the different variations that we can do, all right? And true is then let's just say 1 to say it's actually going to work, all right? And then true and false, well, no, both of them are not true, so this is one's going to fail. And then false and true, they are both not true, so this one is going to fail as well. And we have false and false because they are both not true, it's going to fail. So there's only one of these that can pass. Now, so this is the only variation that can basically pass on this. So this is the way that you need to think about it, is that if understands Boolean and then the two ampersands together, this says this is basically the logical AND operator here. All right, so this is just it's showing you what the logical AND operators is, and there are other logical operators to be used, but this is just to talk about the logical AND operator. All right, so if you do have any questions or concerns or feedback, etc., on this, or you think I should go into this even in more depth, please let's just start a conversation in the comment section down below. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do all the other social media stuff that you can do. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.